Hey, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we return, got the SnapTain SP660 right after this. Hey, welcome back to Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Donnie here, and I am with the SnapTain. This is the SP660. This was sent to me from SnapTain. You can find them on Amazon, and I'll definitely leave a link down in the descriptions. Hey, I went ahead and did a test flight with this already, so I'm just went ahead and took everything out of the box just so you can see what comes in it. You got 4 prop guards. You got the controller, drone. You got the manual here. It's got all the details here, and even which QR code to scan here for Android or iOS, which it's going to be SnapTain Era is going to be your app you use for Wi-Fi FPV. So I did put together the video. I should have some screen recording so you can see what the app was showing me. I was having connection problems, guys, so I wasn't too sure if I was going to even show the review because it was getting pretty bad. But you know, like always, I like to be honest and show you guys you know what happens. You know, some people had a great experience. Sometimes you get ones that just have some kind of issue. So I'm not too sure if it was in the controller losing connection, but you'll see that error in the video, and was having some problems there. So, but you know, other than that, it seemed like it was going to be a good flyer. I was having problems with recording on this one. I had to go and actually press. I think I had to press record on the app to get the SD card to record. Because if you just press the button on the controller, it would record the Wi-Fi FPV, but then the memory card, there would be nothing on it. So what you have to do is you got to do it like separately. You got to land it, start the record on the app, and I believe that starts up the SD card. Um, or it could be the other way around. I apologize, but I know you have to land it and start them individually. So you can't just go and put this up in the air and then press one and expect that the SD card. It's just a strange thing. It's hard to explain. That's why I wasn't too sure if I was going to show this video. But you have to land it each time for which one you want to record. So you know, land it if you want to just have Wi-Fi FPV recording. You know, you restart it then and then take off. If you want SD card, land it, shut it down, restart it, and then press record and take off. It's a strange thing. So I just wanted to explain that. I've never seen that before. Had a little bit of problems. This stick was sticking, but now it seems to be fine. I don't have no problems anymore. I love SnapTain. I'm glad they listened on all their products to label the controller. When I had a meeting with them, that was one thing. You know, I told them don't ever change because it's so nice to not have to carry the manual around. You got all the buttons labeled here, you guys. Got a little speaker here so you can hear the beeping for low voltage on the battery. But you got your camera. You got your one key return, one key takeoff, one key land. This one is your headless mode, on and off button. For recording, you want to hold this down for a few seconds. Starts recording, but like I said, you know, you have to land and start off which one you want to record. I believe, you know, like it's, you know, just land it, then press record, and then should record on the SD card, which you can go with like a 32 gigabyte card in this one. It did record to it for me. This one has a built-in little holder for like a lanyard, so you can connect that on there. You got your speed rate, and also if you hold this down for a few seconds, it will do emergency stop and the motors will cut out and drop wherever it's at. So be careful with that. This is not in use. It's probably going to be for another drone sometime. You do have your phone holder here, so that just lifts up here. Okay, that's the phone holder, and then right here is your 360 flips here. And this is not in use either. So, but that's basically it for this controller. With this one here, I'm trying to remember where the deal is. There it is. You can actually plug this in and charge it. It's got a built-in battery, which I love about that. So that way you don't have to keep going through so many AA's or AAA's, you guys. So, but there's a controller for you. You get 4 extra props. You get some screws for the prop guards. You got your USB charger here for battery and controller. Screwdriver, Phillips, which is probably for the prop guards. And then your battery here, they supply 2 batteries, which is awesome. The other charger, actually, I apologize, this is for the controller. The other charger, did I put it right here? Okay, I actually got it in my backpack. So what it is, they give you 2 chargers. That way you can charge both batteries at the same time, you guys. So that's pretty awesome. I'm glad they do that. That way you're not waiting on one battery at a time. It comes with 2 chargers. So I apologize not showing that one, but I'm not going to go dig it out of my bag right at the moment. The other battery is right here inside the drone, which this drone's pretty neat. It's got some neat lights here. You'll see hopefully a little bit outside. It was pretty bright out. But you just open up that cover and there's the other one here. So these ones are, I believe this is a 3.7 volt and it is actually 2000 milliamp. So that's what's going to give you that long, at least longer flight time, you guys. This one here, SD card goes right in the back slot here. You don't want to go no more than 32 gigabyte. I would probably just run a 16 gigabyte class 10, which is pretty good there. Store's a little tricky after you plug it in to get snapped back in, so be careful you don't pinch the wires. I may modify that later and then run the wires out here, so you just plug it in the back like I did with the Hubsons and stuff like that. But your camera is only a 720p, so it's HD camera. Quality is not quite there. It's just a toy. You guys got to remember that. But it's not too bad. It's just I don't know if it's the actual drone or my area, so I like to do more tests before I give it a complete thumbs down. But in the video you'll see I get frustrated and I end the flight early, so I'm not going to be getting you guys a flight time on that because I was just having too many issues at the time. So alright guys, took up enough of your time. Already 7 minutes went by. Let's go ahead and go to the flight so you can see what I was talking about. Before I go, there's your on and off button, just in case you didn't know. So alright, here we go to the flight. Alright, I'm out here for the flight test of the SP660 from SnapTain. I'm gonna give this thing a shot here and see what it does. It's pretty windy today, so hopefully that doesn't stop the performance here. I went ahead and put a 32 gigabyte SD card class 10 in here. We'll see if it records. I've seen a lot of videos where it's not recording, so hopefully this one will record. This will be the first flight. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the controller here, turn on the drone. See if I get this thing on. Make sure I got it plugged in. Yep, let me plug it in first. Alright, it's plugged in. Get that snapped down in there. Okay. Should be coming on. Okay, it's flashing. It's hard to see right now with the sun, but let me turn my phone on here. We go ahead and bind it up, down, bound it. Alright, let's see if we can find the Wi-Fi FPV here. See if I can restart this here. It's trying to connect to my GoPro. Oh, there it is, SnapTain SP660. Here we go. Alright, connected. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start my screen recorder. So we got the screen recorder going. I'm going to SnapTain era. I'm gonna allow them to go into my photos and audio. All right, I just need function display. I don't need tutorial, so let's go find, there it is. That's the one I need, SP660. Let me select that. All right, we got Wi-Fi FPV. I'm going to go ahead and start the recording. All right, we're going to go ahead and take off. So let me go ahead and calibrate the gyros. Should be calibrated. Now I'm going to do a manual takeoff just like this, and my button sticking. There we go. Okay. All right, let's bring this thing up. So my button's sticking already right off the bat. So let me try the different rates here. There's second rate. There's third rate. Okay. Let's give this guy a shot here. Says, I don't know, just showed some kind of error on here. I didn't get a chance. So weak, control aircraft return. The current signal is weak. Please control the aircraft to return. I'm not even very far. I'm only about 20 feet away. It's still saying controller's weak, so I don't know what that's about. So yeah, it's a little twitchy. One's kind of hanging up here, and yeah, it's getting twitchy on me. So it's having problems getting a signal from controller to drone. So there's definitely something wrong here. This definitely ain't the one I flew at the CES. The one at the CES was actually a Hubsan rebrand, and this one's definitely not the one. It was a lot bigger and a lot more quieter. Definitely not this guy. I thought it was at first when I first seen it when it was being shipped to me, but it's not. You know, it does okay when you're close, but got some wind coming. But see, it tries to die right there when I stop. When I do a heavy, when I go fast and bank and stop, it's like the motors tried to cut out for some reason. See right there, huh? Pretty twitchy too. So let me try doing the flips and see if it does flips at least. There's a flip. All right, let's try forward flip. Sorry, the wind's picking up. Let's do sideways flip. All right, and to the left now. All right, yeah, this thing's pretty twitchy. Yeah. So far, not too well. And it's like the power's trying to cut out right there. You can hear it. Power's trying to cut out. Maybe bring it up so you guys could see it. I just don't want it to fly away because I got my brand new memory card in there. So I don't want to go too far. Yep, the app just dropped. There went the app. Close. All right, the app's back on again. That's strange. All right, says it's still recording. It's only been 3 minutes. This thing's supposed to have over a 20-minute flight time. I hear it dying. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And like it tries to die, like the motor's like all of a sudden like they gonna cut out or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stop the video here. Let me bring it over here. Try to get a little smooth video and see what it does. Yeah, it's still saying the current signal is weak. Please control aircraft to return. It wants me to bring it back. Yeah, it stops right there, and I get about there went the app again, crashed. Yeah, that's not too good. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the film. Let's try a picture. Can't even see myself on here. Let me bring it closer. Keeps saying that it's losing signal. So let me get in the sun over here. Let me go this way. See if I can get a picture here. All right, see if it can see me here. Dang, it can't even see me. I can't even see myself on here. That's crazy. Yep, losing signal. I can't even see myself on here, so forget that. I don't know, guys.
I'm not having any luck with this thing. I don't know if I'm going to take it for the full 20-minute flight. You can hear it trying to cut out and die. You know, I liked the last couple SnapTain products that came out. They weren't bad. They were pretty good little flyers, but this one's not. It's not too good. It looks neat. I'll give them that. Got a pretty cool look to it, but it's hesitating, and the motors sound like they're trying to cut off. So I'm not gonna. Yeah, look. Oh man, it tried to take off right there. Yep, saying that's losing. Yep, look at that. Yep, that's crazy. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't want to lose my memory card. So I think I'm going to bring it back over here, take my memory card out just in case. Dang, this thing is, God, look at it, just twitchy as heck. That's crazy. I never seen anything like it. That's horrible. Let me take my memory card out because I don't want to lose it. In case this thing flies off, I don't want to lose a memory card here. Wow, that's pretty bad, you guys. I don't like that at all. So I did the automatic takeoff right here. I don't even know if I want to show any of the other functions because I don't trust this thing. Yeah, that's not good at all. See if I could do yeah, I'm not even gonna try it. I was gonna try some other functions. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. All right, you guys, I'm done with this one. I was gonna sit here and do a time and all that stuff, but it's not worth my time right now. There's something wrong with it. Something wrong with it, and I don't want it to fly over there, hit anybody. You know, the school's right over there, so I don't want to do that either. So, all right, well, I gave it a try. SnapTain, you're gonna have to try to go back to the drawing board with this one. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and post this. You guys are gonna be seeing this now, so hopefully they could get this one fixed and you know, get it all figured out. But right now it's no good right now, you guys. So all right, thanks for watching. SnapTain, I sure appreciate you sending out these products, but this one is definitely not for me, and it definitely has a lot of problems right now. So all right, guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.